Hey guys, I'm the Glamfrau here on YouTube. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and coming to my page. If you're new, don't forget to hit subscribe and join my little family. If you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of my family. Today's video is going to be a golden goddess bronzy kind of look because that's how I'm feeling today. So without further ado, without spending too much time on this intro, let's get into the video. First, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Glow Up Primer Serum. This serum is gorgeous with those little gold specks. This felt so refreshing on the skin and so smoothing, and also it smelled gorgeous. Next, I'm going in with my Revolution Conceal and Define in F12. If you've been sleeping on this foundation, then you need to wake up and go to your nearest drugstore and get it. I'm adding some much needed highlight because that's a very mattifying foundation and I want to get a nice dewy look. Also, I've been enjoying this brush so much. This is the Sephora 06 Multitasker brush from Sephora. Now going in with Conceal and Hydrate in C9. I know this one is a little light for me, but then I think I picked the wrong one from the drawer, but I made it work. You know what I mean. So I'm just pushing that into my, not pushing, I'm blending that in. Come on, I'm blending that in. And then next going in with NYX Total Control. I use this foundation to kind of bronze up my face. I prefer it that way. And then using Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Powder, I'm just buffing that into the under eyes just for that seamless look. Next, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in medium brown, and I'm just filling in my brows and just doing the natural brow that I always do. Then going in with Makeup Revolution Flamingo Blush Palette. These colors are gorgeous, even individually and mixed together, especially for brown skin girls like me. Next, we are going in with the Makeup Revolution Glisten Eyes in Dreamland. This is a beautiful bronze liquid shadow on one end and a gold shimmer on the other side. I love this product so much. It's got a great applicator and goes on so smooth and dries quickly and does not move. Then I'm going in with a little bit of that glitter on my fingertips and just pushing that in and then blending a deep brown eyeliner on the outer corners of my eye. Next, I'm going in with Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. This is soon becoming one of my favorite mascaras. Although I do find that the wand is a bit short. I don't know. Maybe it's me and I just need to get used to it. I've added some falsies to the outer corners of my upper lash line. And then I'm going in with the Ofra liquid lipstick, long lasting liquid lipstick. And this is in Verona, the shade Verona. It's a beautiful warm brown shade. Finally finishing off with some highlighter from the Natasha Denona Bronze and Glow palette. I love this highlighter and thank you for watching. This is the final look. It's such an easy golden bronzy kind of look. I really loved how it turned out. Let me know what you think, and before you go, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm going to be uploading more of these videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next one.